Your Business Intelligence Vision module uses your unleashed data and transforms it into actionable insights so you always know what is going on within your business. The Purchases section of your Business Intelligence Vision module gives you full oversight of purchases, supplier performance, and supplier returns. To explore the Purchases section, click on the Explore More button under the Purchases tile on your Unleashed dashboard. Alternatively, you can select Business Intelligence and navigate to Purchases from your side menu bar. Then select the Vision tab. Your Vision module features an interactive dashboard with a customizable date range. To change the date, simply click in the calendar, select the date range you wish to look at, then click Apply. You can also choose to look at the month to date, quarter to date, year to date, as well as last month or quarter by clicking these buttons here. On this screen, we have 12 KPI tiles showing measures we can explore. These are created purchase order value, showing the value of orders created in the chosen date period, the number of those orders created, open order value, showing any open orders which have not yet been received, and the number of those open orders, completed order value, showing orders which have been received and completed, and the number of those orders completed, order cost and cost as a percentage of order value, average delivery duration, received order count, supplier return value, and the supplier return count. To explore this data in more detail, simply click on the KPI you wish to look at. For this example, let's look at my open orders value tile. With just a click, I can clearly see the status of these orders, the value I have open with each supplier, the value of products I am waiting for, as well as the open value at each warehouse. I can also see each open order and how long they have been open or how late they are. If I then switch to the average delivery time KPI, I can see and compare past delivery times for each supplier or for a particular product or product group. This will allow you to compare supplier performance and set expectations for delivery. You can also extract information across different metrics by clicking on a measure and cross-filtering with any other dimension. For example, let's look at my open PO value with a certain supplier. Simply click the supplier you wish to look at to filter your results by that particular supplier. You can cross-filter and drill down across any of your measures, including individual order numbers. When you are done, click the Clear All button here to remove any filters. The Purchases section of your Vision module puts you in full control of your purchasing and allows you to answer almost any purchase order or supplier return question. Thanks for watching.